Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, say one of our Edo sister wey dey for diaspora don buy sewing machine to take help our people for Edo State. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred.
Yeah, hello my people and good morning. Talk am as e dey be. One of our sister for diaspora, by the grace of God, she does send us a message to buy some sewing machine, industrial machine and the weaving machine to take help our people for Edo, especially our sisters when they not get handwork. So it does send me go market, make I go buy sewing machine, about 5 sewing machine, weaving machine, industrial machine and all of that accessory to take help our sisters when they not get handwork for Benin, when they not get handwork. And she dey do them now to train the people free of charge. To train our people free of charge. This one are waiting at the talk every day. And this our sister, now God go bless you. Now God go bless you. Now one of our sister for diaspora and I send money come. He say, Apostle, I want to open free fashion school where we will feed the trade people free. And she even said she would give them money every month to take assist them. And she then will employ teacher when he would teach them for free. And this one, now to me, is a great milestone. So this one I'm waiting with the talk, giving back to our society. Now, one of our sisters for diaspora, and I buy this 5 machine with industrial machine, weaving machine, the tape, everything. Funny enough, she don't even rent house for us to put all this machine. And by the grace of God, now in that area, the house now therefore get little delay now because we need to get good apartment. Then to put all this machine to train our people free of charge. So giving back to the society, now waiting Edo people they good at. We the Edos, we are very good at giving back to the society without looking for undue gratification. No. So this our sister, I beg, una go help me pray for her. Una go pray for the family. When she allow God to take help, to use her to take help our people. Now when she come and say, some of our people they street, they not learn handwork. How they want to do them? Because okay now, he go open fashion school where they go to train our people free of charge. So this one is the first set of the sewing machine, the industrial machine, the weaving machine, is the follower. And by the grace of God, she don't arrange the teachers when he go to train our people free of charge. So giving back to the society, now everybody own, and I really dey happy for waiting my sister they do. My sister, I don't know your name, but God know your name. Now God now go bless you. You are your team, you are your group, where be say you don't gather to give back to the society. And funny enough, I know say she'll still buy generator because I know say light no day. I know say she go buy generator, join us to make sure say this machine a function well because the place we want put on light good day. So I thank God for what my sister they do. My sister, now God go bless you. And those people say God go bless you. My people make me appreciate one of our own. When they buy this sewing machine, 5 with industrial machine, weaving machine, everything to take help our brothers and sisters to train them free of charge. My sister, now God go bless you. My sister, now God will bless you. Now God will bless you. I appreciate you. Because giving back to our society, now everybody own. Now this one how they talk. And imagine now, this our sister that don't remove our young girls, come up for street. May they come learn handwork. May they learn how to sew, free of charge. Now she even do one thing where they would surprise me. She says she will be able to pay the people. She will be able to pay the people where they learn this sewing. She will even put them on monthly salary. Every month. They're going to receive salary free. Meanwhile, they learn how to sew and she going to pay them free of charge. And I really appreciate God for watching with the see because making our community great, now everybody work. Government will fit do everything. Individual will continue to play our role. Making it do great, now everybody. And I'm so happy to be part of this project I am so happy to be part of this development. Imagine our sister now when they begin to train free of charge. The boys will go there, so they go train them free of charge on to sew cloth. So by the time they're free now them go begin to help their brothers also. They go begin to help their sister. Imagine the sister will say, go learn handwork. You're not going to follow, not going to run for the boy now. Because you know say they go break, she go learn work. By the time she learn the work finish, she go then so she go get money to take care of herself, to take care of her mama, to take care of her papa. So this one our plan. And I thank God for this our sister. When they buy these 5 sewing machine, industrial machine, weaving machine, all of them. And I'm really happy because my own, I'll continue to encourage our own. Free of charge, our own, and to train our women on how to sew free of charge. I beg this Edo woman when they do this one, I beg make una help me pray for her. Muna pray for the Edo woman where God use to take buy this sewing machine or another thing to take train our people free of charge. And make I shock you. Even the instructor, the woman where want to teach them, she wants to pay the woman. She won't even pay the woman. Every month you go to pay them. Then the people that learn this work, she also they pay them free. Imagine say you they learn work, go see they give you money to encourage you. So imagine say everybody they do this kind of thing for our society. The issue of prostitution and the rest, it will reduce. It will die natural death. I say my sister, that God will bless you. Then anything you put your hand, it will prosper. And funny enough, one of these machines this morning, we buy one 63,000. 63,000 for one, and we dey buy 5. We dey buy 5. 63,000 for one. Make una see am. Sumo premium. Una see am. 63,000 for one, and she buy 5. Industrial machine dey 100 and something thousand. How much be that industrial machine?
55,000.
Industrial machine. Industrial machine.
155.
155,000 for the industrial machine. You can imagine. So our work continue today open, truthful to the people. And this sewing machine now, this one who they buy so is 63,000. They know they add money journal 63,000, and she they buy 5. She they buy weaving machine. She they buy industrial machine. She they put the rent house. She they put rent house. So our owner had to go paint the house, make her fine, carry this machine, go there. You see, now one of our dog woman I buy this machine 5. This one not be boo yeah. This one not be boo yeah. And the generator every day here, person they sell generator near her. So me I go see go talk make it buy generator join her, because if like not there, we also need generator. So make una see generator. So we will need generator to power the house. So those of una wey want help our sister, oh yeah, make una come see buy generator. So the like they power the industrial machine. So see generator, anywhere go lay for the house, gonna come buy generator. Take the power this machine, because our sister now she they do it for our people free of charge. See generator, gonna come buy generator, join her for this work to go well. So now no say me, the guy with the sell out, say I ain't be this will not be people yeah, the man they faith. So okay, you do well. Why you feel say this sumo I be the best?
It does not select any clothes.
Okay.
We used to sew all kinds of clothes
Okay.
that you bring.
Yeah.
And then not only that, it's very, very strong in working.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
You do well. What about the quality industrial machine? The one where you recommend?
Those ones are very, very good, and then the parts can be useful.
Okay.
And the parts are very, very good.
Okay.
Also.
Thank you very much, sir. So my people, talk am as it be, and me, I go continue to talk am as it be. Different truth, you know this boyfriend. What is not good is bad. So my sister, now God will bless you for this sewing machine when you buy to take help our people. And when she called me about a few months ago, he said, Apostle, I pray. See what God put for my heart. He said, make I do something. That's okay, no problem, man. And then she actually send the money come. This money that they grant, we don't gather these things since because of work and the rest. It's okay, today we must go where we for buy them so that make the whole world see the machine. And when I pray for that person, when I pray for her, one machine sell 65,000 naira for 63,000 for one, and she buy 5. She buy industrial machine, she buy weaving machine, and I am happy. So this is what I am praying for. Making Edo great. Making Edo great. Making Edo great. Now everybody walk. Imagine say she don't buy this one to train our guests free. Another person come by, train free. You see, say all these our sister they run, follow people up and down. They no go there again. They go no say they go learn work. Make una see the face of the man when he talk as it be. So my people, now good morning. I say make I assist one of our sister. We want help our people free of charge to the soul cloth free, and it's teaching them free. So these are the machine which have gone, and I want to say thank you. God bless Edo people. God bless all those who have contributed to the success of the Edo people. God bless all of una. I appreciate una. Una do well. My name is Apostle Alfred, the man when he talk as it be. Una know say my honor to make sure say things go well for our society. My sister, now God will bless you. 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 Una do well. Bye for now.
Abeg, help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.